Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'll tell you the best way, the easiest way to delete a blank page in Word. So no matter how many pages are there, I'll tell you the exact way to do it. There are many ways, but I'll go with the best one. So here I have 3 pages and I want to delete this one. All right. So I'll go to view and then we need to look for the navigation pane. Under view, you will have this in the view tab. You just need to select this navigation pane and you will have all the pages right there. Now you can have the look one by one. If you have more than 50, 100 pages, you can have a quick look and see how many blank pages are there and just select that page and press the delete key on a keyboard. And here we go. Now if I'll press the Control Z, here we go. So we have got the page again. Now this time I'll press the backspace on my keyboard. So that also deletes the page, the blank page. Right. So according to me, this is the most convenient way to delete the page, the blank page in Word. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.